Since they banned me from posting, you can watch it on Instagram. Anyway, we're gonna build my son's loaded fries. So what you do is you take the fries and you, oh, they can't eat it. So you put the fries on the bottom, and since the fries are still hot, you wanna put the cheese. I just use whatever cheese I have left over. You like shredded cheese anyway, so hold on. So you just that way it'll melt, okay? And then you grab your bacon, and it'll melt the cheese even more, like so. Okay. And you add a dollop of sour cream. So those are already busting out, so now I can put this in the back on. And then you just add the remainder of the cheese. And then you just top it off like that. And that becomes your loaded fries.